Hi, I'm Jen, welcome to the channel. We're now at the last part of your basic cheesecake series. I've shown you how to make a plain cheesecake. I've shown you how to jazz it up with some simple toppings. I've shown you how to kick up the base by changing the type of biscuit you use, maybe adding a wee touch of alcohol. Which now leaves us with the last stage. How to add different flavours to your filling without losing its consistency. Now let's get started on some easy filling flavours to try. The first one is coconut cream. I use coconut filling for my pina colada cheesecake. Create your cheese mixture by blending your soft cheese, vanilla extract and ice and sugar into one bowl. The mixture should taste slightly sweet with a subtle aftertaste of the soft cheese. It's then time to add the coconut cream. Add in stages till the mixture now tastes of coconut. You're now ready to blend the mixture into the cream to finalise the filling. Another easy filling starter is using your favourite jam. I'm using my harvester jam in this cheesecake, which I'll show you how to make in another video. Strawberry jam works great for making an easy strawberry cheesecake. Adding your ready-made fruit fillings also works. Using a thick apple sauce means you can fold it straight into an already made vanilla cheesecake filling. If you're afraid of thinning the filling, add it to the cheese mix until you gain confidence. This filling goes fantastic with a caramel topping and a shortcake base. Another idea is the Oreo filling. If you're using biscuits that already have fillings in them, incorporate those fillings into your cheese mixture instead of throwing them away. This is my Oreo cheesecake decorated with chocolate and caramel ice cream toppers and some extra Oreo biscuits I had left. Adding your favourite chocolate is another great method to spruce up a cheesecake filling. Melt your chocolate with a little milk for about 10 seconds in the microwave and repeat until the chocolate is completely melted but not boiling. This is my Malteser cheesecake. I created a marble look by adding dollops of chocolate and slowly mixing certain sections. Chocolate and fruit go really well together. Just make sure the fruit is dried well before adding to the filling. This is a shortcake base with white chocolate and raspberry filling. As long as you fold the mixture slowly, then it should stay thick and set well. This one is close to my heart, as it's the very first cheesecake I was taught to make by my dear friend John Lynch. John isn't here with us now, but I hope to keep his love for baking and cooking alive through my videos. You'll see his name pop up again, so keep an eye out for his favourite recipes. This is John's Mandarin cheesecake and it's a real crowd pleaser. All you do is add Mandarin yogurt to your cheese section and then add in the cream. These fillings should help you start feeling confident in making your own cheesecakes at home. Don't be afraid to try out different combinations and remember these tips. Your base consistency is all about your butter. Add the butter in stages till you get a base that's not too soft that it starts to crumble, but not too hard that your cheesecake piece skites off the plate when you try to cut into it. Add your flavours into the cheese section of your filling and make sure the cream is very stiff. This will help make sure the filling sets. Sometimes a cheesecake doesn't need a topping. Less is sometimes more, but if you choose a topping, remember to think about your flavours in the base and your filling. Choose a topping that complements those flavours and won't overpower them. Tell me your favourite cheesecake combinations down in the comments and tell me if I've inspired you to try making them at home. And remember,
if things don't work out, you know who to call. This bitch.
Time to sing us out, Jen.
I'm gonna miss everybody, and I'm gonna miss everybody, and I'm gonna miss everybody, and I'm gonna miss everybody. See you at the crossroads, crossroads. See you at the crossroads, crossroads. Oh, I'm gonna miss you guys. Okay. Bye, y'all.